If you ever visit Switzerland, you have to make Lucerne one of your stops. In this video, we're going to show you all around the Old Town, explain the significance of this bridge. Oh my God. And if you make it till the very end, we're going to show you one of the most underrated, best restaurants in the entire country.
Come over.
Good morning. We're here in Lucerne. We got in yesterday. We just kind of hung out at the Château Gütsch, or Gütsch, whatever it's called. Anyways, we're going to go down to the Old Town. We'll tell you more about the Old Town. I think this town has about 80,000 people, and then Old Town's right in the middle on the top of Lake Lucerne. There's a bridge. I think it's the oldest wooden bridge in Europe. There's a lake. We're going to take a funicular down. The funicular's a 2-minute ride. You can get it for free from the hotel. That's it. Let's go. So I think the funicular is about $2 to go up and down if you're not a part of the hotel. That takes 1 minute, and it's just like an elevator. You just hit a button, and then it'll come on up. More fun facts about the town. The Old Town was formed in the 1300s. They say the bridge was formed in about 1400s, 1500s. There's a giant wall that still sits. That wall right there was the initial fortification of the city, and the chapel bridge, which we're going to see, I think was also initially was built for fortification, and that's just more of a tourist attraction. There's about 4 languages, I think, official languages in Switzerland. German, Swiss German, French, and Italian, not English. And the primary language spoken here is German, but like a Swiss variant.
Don't fight how you really feel. Come closer to me. I'll give you something to believe.
This is the chapel bridge right behind us. Confirmed, built in the 1300s. One of the oldest wooden bridges in Europe. I think it's the oldest wooden covered bridge. Anyways, I think there was a fire. It was rebuilt, but most of it's its original structure.
You found me. I was definitely getting another Thai massage for my lower back.
Back's been out of commission for a few days.
Been kind of crazy, so
My
you haven't
fault.
seen.
I have something to do with the 10-mile hike we did.
Possibly.
Initially planned for a couple miles, ended up turning into a 10-mile hike.
Anyways,
we're going to come back to Old Town for dinner. There's a bunch of stuff you could do in town. You could do a bunch of boat tours on the lake, and there's a paddle boat we can rent for like $20 for an hour. Not too bad, but a little too hot for us, so we're going to go back. Just relaxed at our hotel for a couple hours, and then we're gonna go to eat dinner at a place called Soul Chicken. Coming from Savannah, Georgia, or at least living there for a year, it's got a lot to live up to. So we can see it from our place. Our hotel is right there, and the restaurant is down there in the Old Town somewhere. Probably one last stroll of the Old Town, and then tomorrow we are off to our next destination.
Perfect.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So this is the chicken we heard a lot about. They have like this butter garlic sauce over here. Everything looks very seasoned and good to go. So
Soul Chicken, highly recommend.
absolutely.
Yeah, all you had to choose one was chicken. So coming from Savannah, where we had some deep fried southern old chicken, it was actually probably better. Maybe we were a little hungry, I don't know. But I would highly recommend
It was different.
Yeah.
It wasn't like a spicy chicken or anything. It was like
No.
the different spices. It was just, it was
Piping
good.
hot, crunchy, garlicky, salty. There was a
Delish.
cool butter sauce that you got with it. Anyways, I would recommend it. Cool vibe too. Anyways, this is our last day in Lucerne. Tomorrow we are heading out of Switzerland and we are going to Copenhagen, Denmark.
Very nice.
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna wrap up tonight. We're probably gonna play some pool, and then after that we're going to go back to the hotel and call it a night.
Speaking of hotel, can you look at
Oh,
this?
yeah.
It's lit up.
The Gütsch.